How to buy and sell in TradingView. Now in order to do this, just simply open your TradingView app and then go over this charts option. After going in the charts, you will directly get the option of buy or sell in here. If you want to buy, tap to buy option right here, and if you want to sell, tap to sell option right here. Just simply tap to any of the options, and after that you can choose how much shares would you like to buy at very first, and then it will show currency. You can change the currency which you would like to use in order to buy the shares which you have chosen in this section. And after selecting the currency which you would like to use in order to buy, you can select all of these other options such as exits and stop losses. Then tap to buy or sell option, whichever you have selected from this section, and then the currency that you would like or the share in TradingView will be bought or sold this easily. I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.